When working with a large graph containing thousands of elements, navigating and exploring it can feel overwhelming. In this video, I'll show you how to gain clear insights into such graphs using two powerful tools that Termboard offers: relation types and dynamic layouts. Step 1. Working with relation types. First, let's tackle relation types. I'll start by opening a large graph. For this demo, I'm using the FIBO ontology, a structured dataset of terms relevant to financial business applications. It contains about 3,000 terms and 4,000 relations. Set up relation types. Navigate to Settings, Document, and click the Relation Types button. In ontologies, generalization is a key relation type. Let's map the relations accordingly. Search for is a in the table, then assign it to the generalization type. Next, under Settings, Document, enable the following. Hide relation types to simplify the view. Color coding for relation types for better visual distinction. Enable legend to identify the types easily. Filter the graph. Use the legend to show only generalization relations by deselecting the other types. The graph now displays far fewer relations, but it's still not easy to explore. That's where dynamic layouts come in. Step 2. Using dynamic layouts. Now, let's dive into dynamic layouts, a powerful way to focus on specific parts of the graph. Go to Tools, Explore Relations, Dynamic Layout. This opens an empty canvas with a search bar. Search for a term, like customer. The canvas will display the term and its generalization relations, filtered earlier. Terms may have colored highlights indicating hidden relations. Blue, hidden incoming and outgoing relations. Orange, hidden outgoing relations only. Green, hidden incoming relations only. Expanding and collapsing terms. Right-click on a term to expand it. You can choose to expand directly related terms or use the recursive option to explore deeper connections automatically. If you want to see more relation types, enable them in the legend and expand the term again. Use collapse to hide a term and its related elements. Click a term to view all its relations in the Relations tab in the sidebar. Step 3. Customizing the layout. Dynamic layouts offer flexible customization. Use the settings icon in the search bar to change the layout. Click the redraw icon to reorganize the graph. Use the eraser icon to clear the canvas. When you're done, exit dynamic mode by pressing the close icon. Thank you for watching this video. You can try these things for free on termboard.com. If you have any questions, please add a comment below.